Hi everybody, I'm Amisha and welcome back to my channel. So I think this is the very first time that we are doing a sit down video. Since I make content on food and travel, and for that reason I'm always in search of good hotels, restaurants, cafes and even some good bakery products. And while in search for that, I came across this beautiful brand called The Baker's Dozen. And how sweet were they to send me their products and review few of them. So let's get started. So on this bag, it says all we need is love. And they serve breads, cake, cookies, crackers, butters, premixers. So the very first product we have from the Baker's Dozen is this sourdough. It's a 4-grain sourdough, which is the goodness of pumpkin, sunflower, sesame seed and flaxseed. It's all locally sourced ingredients. It's fermented in their in-house culture, which says toast me before use. It's 100% whole wheat with no preservatives. And this comes for a price of rupees 225, if you can see. And this is all vegetarian. So the next product we have is this dark chocolate cookies. It's crunchy, dark, delicious cookies. It doesn't have preservatives. It's zero trans fat. And it comes for rupees 189. And the net quantity for it is 200 grams. They have this very cute packaging and some great history, some product reviews of customer here. They have their Instagram ID, their website link, their WhatsApp contact number. I'll mention all the details in my description box. Let's open this. As soon as you open this, they have these 8 pieces of cookies inside. If we open this one. Okay, so per packet inside has 2 cookies in it. It's very crunchy. You can see. One of their customers says here that the chocolate cookies have been relished but never survived for more than 2 days at their home. So let's move on to other product. Next product we have is the banana walnut cake. This is the product. If you can see the packaging, it's written on all their sides. There's this cute story, some customer reviews, something in detail about the walnut cake. So from the Baker's Dozen is this banana walnut cake, handmade with whole walnuts, incredibly moist, light and delicious. It's 100% whole wheat and zero trans fat. It has egg in it, this one. And one of their customers says that their favorite is this banana walnut cake and can finish the whole goodness in one go. It's super soft, balanced, sweet and perfectly baked. So let's open this one. This is how it looks once it's open. Wow. You can see this cake. This is super soft and too much gooey. They have this walnut chunks in it. Too good. So this walnut cake, it comes for rupees 175. Ingredients this cake has, it's sugar, banana, sunflower oil, whole wheat flour and whole egg powder, walnut, banana, raisins. The net quantity for it is 150 grams. Let's move on to other product. The next one is this baked, not fried flatbread for soup, sauces or any of the dips. This is complete vegetarian. The net quantity for it is 100 grams and it comes for rupees 119. There is also 100% whole wheat with no preservatives. Simple goodness baked perfect. These are like these crackers. So these are these high protein flat bread which can go with your soup, sauces or any of your dip. And very crispy and very tasty, of course. Out of all the products here, I think my favorite has to be the dark chocolate cookies. This is very crunchy, very delicious and very chocolatey, since I'm a great chocolate person with a sweet tooth. So I'll mention all the related links of the baker's story in my description box. Since you anytime want to check out on any of the product, you can visit their website. And I hope you like this video. We've come to the end of this video. If you liked it, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you until next time.